Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I've got this little Natasha Denona palette. This was a gift, a free pickup, I believe, from Facebook. I wasn't expecting this in the haul, and I loved it. Its colors I'll definitely use, and even though it's only 5, I am just going to go ahead and swatch it for you. Pans are pretty big. There's a lot of product in here, which you'll see the swatches in a minute. Let me just see what's on the back. They have some names. I'll try to put those up on the screen. It says eyeshadow palette 5, but palette 7. I don't know. She has a lot of these little 5-panners. It's kind of an odd color story, but let's see what you think. First looks silver in the pan, yes, and it's very silver. These are quite expensive, but the quality is there. These are extremely smooth to put on. This teal is probably going to blow us away, yes. I have a little sparkle on my arm from previous swatches, but shouldn't affect these. Are these magnetic? I'll check that in a second. Third one looks almost black. Yeah, it's just a slate gray. Has a little bit of shimmer in it. Okay. Next one is another blue. Oof, gorgeous metallic. Medium blue, maybe a little bit on the teal side. And then just 5th pan is kind of in between the first two. I don't know how to... It's not silver. It's a little more brown. It's like a brownish gray shimmer. So with some pops of color in here, this is a very pretty palette. As I'm swatching these, the pans are kind of moving a little bit. Do you see that? And hear that? So some of the high-end brands, oh shoot, I knew that was going to happen. I bet you these pop out of here. Some of them are magnetic, and you can move them around with other palettes. So obviously I didn't mean to take a big chunk out of the corner here, but I'm pretty sure these pans would pop out. Oh great, now I just got blue on this color. So that might be interesting. You could rearrange them, or you could put them on a magnetic palette, including some other 5-pan palettes from her. So, and she is cruelty free. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little swatch video. We will talk to you soon. Bye. Sitting on a makeup wipe, and I can feel the cold on my butt. As I'm swatching these, hold on. Hold on. What is behind me? Okay.